Hi. So everybody knows a little bit about the sadhu in me, right? And the devil, but there is also a sadhu. And I like the ashram life. I like staying in an ashram. It kind of puts me back into my orbit. It puts me back in my center. It reminds me of what's actually really important. And every time you sit down to make a value map and you say, okay, this matters and not that, you realize you're absolutely wrong about what you're assessing, especially if you break it down to the barest minimum realities of life, which is what I think of bare minimum ashram life kind of teaches you. And when you do stuff like this, when you get yourself out of your comfort zone and things that you're used to, and your routines, etc., what I'm realizing is that we spend so much time at work looking at the intellectual side of things, but if we just kind of spent a little more time on the human and the emotions, and if you took a position and the position was the human first and the humanity of everything that you do, whether it's the humanity in the tech, whether it's humanity in the people, which is their parents, their families, the people that love, etc., their own self-love, or the humanity in teams, in terms of how do you co-function with your partners, with your vendors, with your salespeople, with your alliances, with your managers, with your seniors, etc., etc. Life just looks very, very different, right? Suddenly there is an emotional center to the whole thing, and there is a human in the middle. The human in the middle, I think, is what is missing at work more often than not. We hide behind Excels, we hide behind intellect, hide behind formulas, we hide behind 10 steps, 5 ways, uh, 30 under 30, 40 under 40, CXO at blah blah blah, whatever, right? So yeah, this is just to talk about, it's actually this, not that, and whatever you value will decide what you will achieve. So might as well value what's really important and not what actually everybody says is important. What's visible is actually not important. It's the intangibles that matter the most. No?